If you look deep enough, you will see music, the heart of nature being everywhere music. Yes, this is a famous quote which I heard many years ago when I was falling in love with nature and mainly with birds. If you are seeking to spend some time in nature and start bird watching, then the first step would be to watch the birds in your garden and the nearby areas. Watch the common birds there, their activities, and try to recognize them. Once you start love bird watching, then slowly go to the nearby places to explore and watch birds. I live in Kolkata, and whenever I get some time, I try to spend that time watching birds in nearby places. There are quite a few places in and around Kolkata where you can do bird watching. One such place is Rabindra Sarobar. This place is resident to many birds and are regularly visited by migrants during their onward and return journey. Once you reach the Rabindra Sarobar, you have to enter through the Safari Park gate. Once you enter the Safari Park gate, take the first right and go straight. There is an area in the left after the children's park which is not actually, you can find it as a small habitat or a jungle area. That is where you do the main bird watching. Also, you can explore the area behind the Laughing Club and near the lake. These areas are frequently visited by birds. So happy bird watching! I visited these areas over years, and there are a few shots taken by me